Hello cellists, here's your training video for the sounds of Hanukkah. There's a lot going on in this piece, so make sure that you make marks in your music as often as you need to. First of all, we are in the key of C major for your hand positions, so all naturals, no flats and no sharps, but there are a lot of times when accidentals come in and you're going to need to alter those notes. So the first thing that you see is a B flat between C and D. That's played with a low one on the A string, so you got to push your first finger back towards the scroll. And you also have a B flat towards the end of the piece that's on the G string, and those are played with second finger. You then have F sharps and C sharps that come in every once in a while, so make sure you catch on when those are happening. There's a left hand pizz right before E to prepare you to change your hand, so you can do all pizzicato through dreidel. And you also have ties between C and D, and you have to make sure that you add those two values together and hold that out for the full value in one bow. There are accents that are happening towards the end of the piece, and that will help you with your musicality. And here is the sounds of Hanukkah.